In the high-octane world of military aviation, there's a perennial debate. Should we chase groundbreaking innovations or refine existing technologies? Lockheed Martin seems to have chosen the latter, opting to supercharge its battle-tested F-35 fighter into something that could flirt with sixth-generation status. And how do they describe this approach? With a metaphor that screams Talladega Nights, a NASCAR upgrade. Yes, Lockheed is transforming their stealthy, jet-powered beast into the fighter jet equivalent of a Ferrari. This transformation isn't just about speed, it's about integrating cutting-edge technologies, enhancing survivability, and ensuring dominance in future combat scenarios. So buckle up, because we're diving deep into how the F-35 is being metamorphosed from a 5th-gen powerhouse into a potential 6th-gen marvel. The origins, born to replace the fleet. The F-35 Lightning II didn't just materialize out of thin air. It's the culmination of the Joint Strike Fighter program initiated in 1995, aiming to develop a versatile aircraft to serve the U.S. Air Force, Navy, and Marine Corps. The first prototype, the X-35, soared into the skies in 2000, showcasing capabilities that would set the foundation for the F-35. By 2006, the F-35A variant took its maiden flight, marking a significant milestone in modern aviation. Designed to be a multi-role stealth fighter, the F-35 was envisioned to replace aging fleets like the F-16, A-10, and AV-8B Harrier. Its development was a collaborative effort, with international partners like the UK, Italy, and Australia contributing to its design and funding. This global partnership not only shared the financial burden, but also ensured a broad user base, making the F-35 a truly international fighter jet. The flying computer inside. While the F-35's sleek exterior and stealth capabilities are impressive, its true prowess lies within. Often dubbed a flying computer, the F-35 boasts advanced avionics and sensor fusion capabilities that provide unparalleled situational awareness. Its mission systems process vast amounts of data, integrating information from various sensors to present pilots with a comprehensive battlefield picture. The Block 4 upgrade, currently underway, aims to enhance these capabilities further. With over 75 major enhancements, including increased missile capacity, advanced electronic warfare systems, and improved target recognition, the F-35 is set to remain at the forefront of aerial combat. These upgrades ensure that the aircraft can adapt to evolving threats and maintain superiority in contested environments. Engine upgrades that mean business. Powering the F-35 is the Pratt & Whitney F-135 engine, a marvel of engineering delivering over 40,000 pounds of thrust. However, as the aircraft systems become more advanced, the demand for power and cooling increases. Enter the engine core upgrade designed to enhance the F-135's performance, increase thrust, and improve thermal management. The engine core upgrade is crucial for supporting the Block 4 upgrades, ensuring that the engine can handle the additional electrical loads and cooling requirements. By leveraging existing production and maintenance infrastructures, the engine core upgrade offers a cost-effective solution to enhance the F-35's capabilities without the need for a complete engine redesign. The drone entourage. In modern warfare, unmanned systems have shifted from experimental novelties to battlefield necessities. Lockheed Martin, ever at the forefront of aerospace evolution, is spearheading initiatives to pair the F-35 with collaborative combat aircraft, a class of autonomous drones designed to augment and support manned operations. These drones aren't just flying cameras, they can perform sophisticated tasks, including electronic jamming, target acquisition, and even weapons deployment. The system allows F-35 pilots to manage and command up to 8 of these unmanned platforms at once using artificial intelligence and secure data links, creating a kind of digital air force under one human operator's command. This integration offers unprecedented operational flexibility, allowing pilots to carry out missions without putting themselves directly in harm's way and ensuring a force-multiplying effect in high-risk or GPS-denied environments. With projects like the Speed Racer UAV and the XQ-58 Valkyrie, Lockheed is proving that teamwork does not always require 2 pilots, it might just need 1 and a few loyal drones. The collaborative combat aircraft revolution. The U.S. Air Force is aiming to fundamentally reshape its aerial combat philosophy with the planned procurement of 1,000 collaborative combat aircraft. designed to operate alongside its most advanced manned platforms like the F-35 and the future next-generation air dominance fighter. These collaborative combat aircraft are expected to come at a fraction of the cost of traditional fighters, estimated around $15-20 million per unit compared to the $80+ million for an F-35. They are built to be modular, meaning their mission profiles from air-to-air combat to surveillance and suppression of enemy defenses can be customized for specific operations. The goal is to pair two collaborative combat aircraft with every frontline manned aircraft, effectively doubling or tripling force projection without increasing pilot numbers. With AI systems allowing for real-time adaptation and coordination, these collaborative combat aircraft could swarm enemy positions, jam radar, or act as decoys, giving pilots a tactical edge. In this revolution, collaborative combat aircraft won't just support, they'll fight, disrupt, and dominate alongside their human counterparts. Future-proofing the F-35. Lockheed Martin isn't just giving the F-35 a facelift, it's fundamentally re-engineering its internals to thrive in tomorrow's battle space. Under CEO Jim Taiclet's bold directive to achieve 80% of 6th-gen performance at half the cost, Lockheed is injecting the F-35 with features originally destined for the next-generation air dominance program. These include enhanced data fusion algorithms, upgraded radar and electronic warfare suites, and most critically, artificial intelligence capable of assisting with threat detection and real-time decision-making. In addition, efforts are underway to equip the F-35 with support for next-gen hypersonic missiles and directed energy weapons, allowing it to hit hard and fast at extended ranges. The Technology Refresh 3 upgrade plays a vital role in this evolution, featuring new high-performance processors and increased onboard memory, enabling faster system response and more complex operations. Essentially, the F-35 is no longer just a 5th-generation aircraft. It's a chameleon, steadily evolving to meet 6th-generation requirements without starting from scratch. So, do we even need next-generation air dominance now? As the F-35 morphs into a 5th-gen plus powerhouse, the question arises, is the U.S. military reinventing the wheel with the next-generation air dominance program? While the F-35's upgrades are nothing short of transformative, next-generation air dominance is being developed to introduce capabilities that are currently beyond the Lightning U's architectural limits, such as true manned-unmanned interchangeability, multispectral stealth, and next-gen propulsion through adaptive cycle engines like the XA-100. These innovations promise vastly improved endurance, power efficiency, and battlefield resilience. Yet, the F-35 remains indispensable due to its global adoption, massive existing infrastructure, and lower cost per aircraft. With over 1,000 units already delivered and another 3,000 plus projected globally, the F-35 will likely serve as the backbone of Allied air forces well into the 2050s. Rather than competing directly, next-generation air dominance and the F-35 will likely operate in tandem, each playing to its strengths, the F-35 as the ever-adaptable veteran and NGAD as the disruptive prodigy poised to redefine air dominance. Wishful thinking or strategic brilliance? Lockheed Martin's approach to evolving the F-35 reflects strategic foresight. By continuously enhancing the aircraft's capabilities, the company ensures that the F-35 remains a formidable force in modern warfare. While challenges remain, the integration of advanced technologies and the emphasis on adaptability position the F-35 as a cornerstone of future air combat operations. As the lines between 5th and 6th generation fighters blur, the F-35 stands as a testament to the power of innovation, adaptability, and strategic planning in maintaining aerial dominance. And that's a wrap on today's deep dive into the F-35's high-tech glow-up. If you enjoyed this supersonic journey through cutting-edge aviation, don't just hit the brakes here. Smash that like and subscribe. Got thoughts on the F-35 versus next-generation air dominance debate? Drop your hot takes in the comments below. Until next time, keep your altitude high and your radar signature low.